I am going to just show you guys what I use to like mix my melodies, how I, generate random stuff. But today's plugin of choice is going to be Looperator. We're going to go here, and I do want to manipulate this. That sounded cool, but let's do our own thing. So I'm trying to think about what I want in my head. And then for this, I want this like to be like a slow down. I want this to pick up. Double time. Or maybe. And then let's, for effect 2, let's get a reverb. Reverbs. Let's just like drag this out, but reverb 4. But I want this reverb huge size. Mix, random, in. Go wet 25. That's like sick as it is. Just do that. Maybe change just like, I'll go down this way. Maybe like reverb 2. And then for here, reverb 2. Actually, it's still like a phaser. Super deep. It doesn't need to be that high in the mix, but let's see. Let's try now. One. Oh my gosh. Got these little gaps right here. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna balance this in place. We're gonna actually stop. So it's gonna go right here. We're gonna this shit right here, gone. Just drag it. That's gonna go to here. We're gonna put a little, we're just gonna mangle it. I know everyone right now is like, what the heck are you making? But I don't know. I'm just playing around. It doesn't have to be a tight beat all the time. Looperator. Now I need a pad. I'm gonna mess this pad up though. That's pretty hard. I know it's like got a lot of bass though. Something like that. This is definitely a Homixide game type beat. That's what we're gonna run with. That, if you're seeing the thumbnail now, this is where I got it from. I always do this in my kit. If you guys watch my tutorials, I always add some decapitator in parallel. I just I'll turn down. That was pretty hard. I'm just gonna give it a little bit more rhythm, you know, just to keep it up. 41. Way too fast. thanks for checking this one out, and peace.